Hello everyone, this is Tudul and you are watching Codies. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GLM coding plan with TRAE Code Editor. Of course, first of all, you need to purchase the subscription of GLM. In last December, GLM just giving us a very good discount sale. Then I bought a GLM plan, light plan. So you need a Pro API key. Okay. So let's jump into it. First of all, you have to install TRAE Code Editor. I already installed that. Then just come to the ZAI documentation page and search for the TRAE. You can find out the documentation of TRAE, how you can connect. So let me open the TRAE Code Editor and then we can connect our GLM coding plan from two sides. You can see the right portion, the AI agent or the chat box. Here you can see GPT 5.4. So just click on it and you can see there is an option add model or custom models. So just click on add model and you can add a new model, custom model. Or you can choose another option from the setting in the gear icon, click on it and look for the models. Here it is and tap on add models. Then you can add a custom model. First of all, let me delete my previous model. Click on add models. You have to find out the providers, search for ZAI plan. Of course, you have to select the ZAI plan. Just click on it. Then choose the model. I'm going to choose GLM5 or GLM5 Turbo, or I can search for the other model. So just select GLM5, which is a good coding model. Then you have to put the API key. Where you can get the API key? Go to the ZAI plan, go to the setting and look for the API key. And then you have to create a new API key. Just click on create a new API key and you have to give a name, anything you set. So let me give a name and tap on confirm. And yes, I got a new API key. Just copy the API key and paste it here in the API key section. And tap on add model. Wait for a second and yes, the model is added, but it is not showing here, no problem. Let me select it from our chat and here you can see the custom model GPT-5 is here. So let me chat with it. Let me type hi, but it says I have to open that in a project file. So let me open it. After opening a new project file, you can see in our chat model, the model is the previous one, GPT 5.4. We have to change it again. So let me select GLM5 again and type hi. You can see it reply me back. So the coding plan or API connected successfully. That's it. Thank you for watching.